I'm going to show you how to make a cupcake in a jar. These are so much fun to make, very easy, delicious, and they make great party gifts. What you're going to need to make these cupcakes in a jar: a mason jar, about 8 ounces is the perfect size, a lid, you can use just a plain lid or you can use one of our daisy cut lids, a wooden spoon, some baker's twine, some pearls to decorate, or you could use sprinkles. Of course, your cake. Today we're doing red velvet with cream cheese frosting. And let's get started. So take your mason jar. I'm using an 8-ounce mason jar we have in the shop. I feel it's the perfect size for a single serving. You take a piece of cake, and these can be cut in any shape because you're really just pressing it into the bottom of your mason jar and you're not going to really see the shape of the cake. Then you're going to take your frosting and you're going to pipe a layer of frosting right in the middle. You are then going to take another piece of cake and you're just going to press it in. It doesn't have to be the perfect size because once it's pressed in, you won't be able to see the shape. So once that's in, you're going to pipe another layer of frosting. And then you are just going to simply decorate with some sprinkles or some candied pearls. And there you have it. You just close it up. Tie some baker's twine around the top. You can add favor tags to these. They make great wedding favors for your guests. And then you just slide the spoon through the twine and there you go, all set to go. Thanks for watching.